Ellie and Jane present How to Build an Animal Cell. The cell membrane. The cell membrane regulates what enters and leaves the cell. It provides a fixed environment by transporting nutrients in and toxic substances out. The cytoplasm. The cytoplasm allows transport, maintains cell shape and structure, and provides protection and storage by suspending organelles. Nuclear pores. Nuclear pores are little holes in the envelope that allow certain components in and out of the nucleus. The nucleus. The nucleus contains nearly all of the cell's DNA, with instructions for making proteins and other molecules. The nucleolus. The nucleolus produces and assembles ribosomes. Smooth ER. Smooth ER helps synthesize and concentrate various substances needed by the cell. For example, carbohydrates, lipids, steroid hormones, and also can detoxify and store medicine and toxins. Rough ER. Rough ER helps with protein synthesis and quality control. It also packages and transports into vesicles to other organelles, mainly to the Golgi apparatus. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis and translation. They read messenger RNA and link amino acids together to form proteins. The Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is in charge of the transportation, sorting, and modification of both proteins and lipids sent from the ERs. Vesicles. Vesicles act as an internal delivery system or storage containers for the cell. They store and secrete substances like protein, hormones, and enzymes. Mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. This organelle produces the majority of the cell's energy by breaking down and converting nutrients into ATP through a process known as cellular respiration. Vacuole. The vacuole stores the cell's water while also storing ions, nutrients, and makes good waste management because it can trap harmful toxins or bacteria. Lysosomes. Lysosomes act as the cell's digestive system by using potent enzymes to recycle old and worn-out cell parts and break down viruses and bacteria. The cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton is a dynamic network of protein fibers. It also enables the mobility of internal components, like the organelles. This does not make up the entire cytoplasm, rather it is a component within the cytoplasm. Thanks for listening. This was How to Build an Animal Cell.